Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a card for a scrapbook. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll want to start with a good quality cardstock for your base, perhaps an 8.5 by 11-inch sheet. Then, select some beautiful decorative papers, stickers, and other embellishments that truly capture the essence of your scrapbook's theme. Don't forget your basic tools. A sharp pair of scissors, reliable adhesive, and a paper trimmer will make your crafting much smoother. These items form the foundation of your creative project. Now that you have your supplies, let's plan the layout. Begin by folding your 8.5 by 11-inch cardstock perfectly in half, creating a 5.5 by 8.5-inch card base. Before applying any adhesive, take time to arrange your decorative papers, photos, and other elements. This allows you to experiment with different placements and ensure everything looks just right. Think about creating a clear focal point, perhaps a cherished photograph or a special embellishment, to draw the eye. Aim for a balanced and visually pleasing composition. With your design planned, it's time for assembly. Start by securely attaching your background papers to the card base. A good quality adhesive ensures everything stays in place for years to come. Next, carefully layer your smaller decorative elements and photos onto the background. For an extra touch of visual interest, consider using foam dots to give some elements a slight lift, adding wonderful dimension. Finally, add your finishing touches like ribbons, buttons, or intricate die cuts. These small details truly bring your scrapbook card to life. To truly make your scrapbook card special, add some personal touches. Inside the card, write a heartfelt message that captures the memories and emotions associated with your scrapbook page. You might also consider adding subtle textures with glitter, decorative stamps, or even a bit of ink distressing around the edges. A small, handwritten tag with the date or a meaningful quote can also add a wonderful personal flair. Before you finish, double-check that all elements are firmly adhered, ensuring your beautiful creation lasts for many years to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.